how to get OpenAI API Key. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here, of course, on our browser. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar. And then on your search bar, just search for OpenAI API and then click enter. Once you click enter right there, you will now be able to see this API platform. So just click that API platform right there. And then once you click that, this is what it should look like. Now what we're going to do is to click start building, which is right here. So just click that one right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to, of course, sign up if you haven't created an account. But if you have already created an account, all you have to do is to click log in right here. And then you can continue with either your email address, Google, and so on. So I'm just going to continue with my Google right here. And then once you do that, this is what it should look like. You have now already logged in into your account. Now, the next thing that we need to do to access our API key is to go here on the dashboard. And then on the left screen, you will see this API keys. So just click that one right here. So this is where you're going to see all of your API keys that you have created. So if you haven't created an API key yet, all you have to do is to create it by just clicking create new secret key. So just click this right here. So you can name it however you want. So we're going to name this testing. For the default project, you can use which project that you would like to use your API key to. So for the permissions, if you want it all restricted or read only, it's up to you. And then for the service account, you can also do that. So, and then after that, once you're now done with it, just click create secret key. And then you will now be able to see your API key right here. And then all you have to do is to copy it and make sure that you don't lose this API key, because once you close this, you won't be able to see your API key anymore. So make sure to save it somewhere safe so that you won't be able to lose it. So that is basically, that is how easy it is. Once again, that is how to get OpenAI API key.